Now I'm installing some rare earth magnets in these pass-through doors so that they will stay closed. So you have a little rare earth magnet here. Allows it to plunge up and down, and then got another one. So yeah, install this one so it's sticking out just below. That's what that looks like there. And then when the door closes, focus, that little magnet slides up and catches it. Alright, so for placement on these, I do is I measure over 1 inch, and then transfer my mark to the door. On the underside, I'm just splitting right in the middle, so 3/8 of an inch, it's a 3/4 inch door. On my face frame side, I got 7/8 on my face frame. So I want the door to line up flush because we're inset with the front of the face frame. So I'm not setting it on the middle here, I'm actually setting it to the middle of the door, so it ends up being 1/2 inch. But I want a little bit of tension to hold that back, to push up against the bumper that we're gonna set right here. So I'm going like a 30-second back from the 1/2 inch point. Got a Forstner bit. Just more perfect. Yep, there. Start shallow, you can always drill out some more. So this goes slide in like so. So probably have to take a little bit more off or go a little bit deeper, but I'm gonna wait and see how the bottom magnet is interacting with it. So that way I know that I'm gonna be able to lift and catch it. It's purely the magnets just doing work. They're just sitting in there. Same here. Stuff.